what? Bridge deck.
Wait, should I get a radio?
So as you notice, you have carabiners. These are your climbing carabiners. Okay?
Yeah, I'm getting what a carabiners.
So
You want something done, you gotta do it yourself.
it's radio on. Okay. So you've got to do it yourself. You've done no part of this yet. Ready?
Don't watch the process, man. What are you laughing about?
Oh, it's so bad.
I'm gonna drop this on you.
How would you?
That's my radio. You're on camera, man. Ah, fuck. Can you catch these? No! That was my only pair of sunglasses!
You gotta count the wind.
No! Damn it!
I'm not taking the roll.
That's nasty. Really mourning the loss of my glasses.
They might still repair. You might be able to get the lens back in. It's very ambitious though.
They're dead to me. Like, oh, this is shit. It's all shit.
It's all shit.